If you've been hunting for a digital journal that really gets it right, you might want to check out Diarium. But is it the best choice for your journaling needs? Let's dive into what makes this app tick and whether it's worth your time. Diarium aims to be more than just a basic journaling app. It's designed to help you capture your daily thoughts and experiences in a visually engaging way. The core functionality revolves around creating entries that can include text, images, and even audio recordings, which is a nice touch for those who prefer speaking over typing. It also allows you to tag entries for easy organization, making it user-friendly. What stands out immediately is the clean interface and straightforward navigation. But while it feels intuitive at first, some users might find themselves wishing for more customization options in terms of layout and design. The app targets a diverse audience, from casual users looking to jot down their day-to-day thoughts to more serious journalers who want a comprehensive record of their lives. However, the lack of detailed integration with other platforms like social media or cloud storage leaves some potential users wanting more clarity on how it fits into their digital ecosystem. So, what are the pros and cons of Diarium? On the plus side, its clean design and multimedia capabilities make journaling feel fresh and engaging. The tagging feature is also a great way to keep your thoughts organized, but there are some frustrations. For instance, while the app is easy to use, it lacks advanced features that some might expect from a premium journaling tool, like detailed analytics on your writing habits or more extensive customization options. Trust concerns could arise from the app's privacy policies, which aren't as transparent as some users might hope. And while it's priced reasonably, the lack of a free tier might deter those who want to test it out before committing. In conclusion, Diarium could be a solid choice for those who want a straightforward multimedia journaling experience. If you're looking for something more robust or customizable, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels worth trying, especially if you appreciate a clean interface and easy